Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to delete all data on iPhone before selling. If you are trying to selling your iPhone and now you want to delete all of your data on your iPhone, so let's see how can you do this. For this you just have to follow some methods. First you have to open your phone settings and then open your Apple account, then iCloud. In iCloud, just scroll down and here's the iCloud backup. Here you just have to tap on backup now because your after doing this your data will not lose, or if you buy another iPhones you it will help to recover your data. So just tap on backup now and it will back up your all data. And after doing that, if you are unable to use your iCloud, so you can use a pen drive or an USB flash to get a backup of your data. And after doing this, just go for general and then go to transfer or reset iPhone. Just select it, and here you have the option of erase all content or settings. Just select it, and after that you just have to make a step which is erase this iPhone. When you tap on continue, it will demand your password, and after doing this it will delete all of your data including apps and data, Apple account, and find my activation logs. So all of your phone data will be deleted. So that's how you can completely delete your data from iPhone before selling, and you can freely sell your phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.